Some of the greatest Victorian building projects were carried out by engineers. They laid thousands of miles of train tracks, canals and sewers, and constructed huge bridges, changing the face of Britain. Many of these ambitious projects were made possible by the use of new building techniques and materials such as steel. One of the leading lights of Victorian engineering was Isambard Kingdom Brunel. His first major project was the Clifton Suspension Bridge, which crosses the Avon Gorge of Clifton, providing a vital link to the city of Bristol from the east. While it was being built, Brunel also designed and oversaw the construction of the Great Western Railway line between London and Bristol. This involved building viaducts, a bridge, and a 1.5 kilometres, that's 2 miles, tunnel through Box Hill. Brunel worked ceaselessly through his prolific career. His many other achievements, including docks and iron steamships, like his friend and sometimes professional rival, the train engineer Robert Stephenson. He died in 1859 from overwork. Another impressive feat of Victorian engineering was Joseph Bazalgette's construction of a vast network of sewers under London, which set the standard for cities all over the country. At first, sewers were usually built by a cut and cover method. This involved digging out a deep trench, building a roof, and then covering it again. Later, new machinery made it possible to bore far deep tunnels without disrupting life up above. In the 1880s, British and French engineers used the latest machines to begin digging a rail tunnel under the English Channel, but the project was abandoned, and in 1883, because British Army generals feared that the French might use the tunnel to invade Britain. It wasn't just in Britain that British engineers and builders left their mark. They imported their talents all over the world, laying train lines in South America and India, and advising on sewage systems for cities as far apart as Budapest in Hungary and Port Louis in Motoris. The largest structure built during the 19th century was the massive Forth Railway Bridge in Scotland. It has a span of 2.5 kilometres, that's 1.5 miles, and it's still the second longest of its kind today. The building work took 54,000 tons of steel, 21,000 tons of cement, and 7 million rivets. At the peak of the work, 400 4,600 men were employed to build the bridge, and 57 died during the construction.